Join me as I dive into the secrets of VidIQ to see if I can boost my YouTube engagement like never before. VidIQ is an incredibly powerful tool for boosting your YouTube engagement, and in today's video, I'm excited to share with you some of the secrets it holds to transforming your channel's performance. Let's face it, creating content for YouTube can be tough, especially when it comes to getting your viewers engaged. We've all been there. We spend hours crafting the perfect video, only to see it fall flat with our audience. You might be thinking, what am I doing wrong? Well, the truth is, it's not just about creating great content. There are so many factors at play, from the competition to the ever-changing algorithms, it can be hard to keep up. One of the biggest challenges creators face is low viewer interaction. You might be getting views, but if no one is liking, commenting, or sharing your content, then you're not building a community around your channel. And let's be real, building a community is crucial to long-term success on YouTube. Another challenge is the sheer competition out there. With millions of hours of content being uploaded every day, it can be tough to stand out from the crowd. You need to be able to find ways to make your content more discoverable, and that's where VidIQ comes in. VidIQ is an all-in-one toolkit that's specifically designed to help you optimize your videos for better engagement and visibility. With its powerful features, you can research keywords, analyze your competition, and even find the best tags for your videos. One of the most powerful features of VidIQ is its keyword research tool. By identifying the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for your niche, you can optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags to get more views and engagement. And with its competitor analysis tool, you can see what's working for your competitors and use that information to improve your own strategy. But that's not all. VidIQ also provides you with real-time analytics, so you can track your performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your content. And with its tag suggestions feature, you can ensure that your videos are showing up in the right search results. Here's a powerful strategy that I've found to significantly enhance engagement using VidIQ. By identifying the most engaging topics and keywords in your niche, you can create content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to interact with your videos. For example, I used VidIQ to find a popular topic in my niche and created a video around it. The result? A 50% increase in engagement compared to my previous videos. By using VidIQ, you can take your channel to the next level by creating content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. With its powerful features and analytics, you'll be able to track your performance, adjust your strategy, and see real results. In conclusion, using VidIQ can lead to better engagement and overall channel growth. By optimizing your videos for visibility and using its powerful features, you can build a loyal community around your channel and drive long-term success on YouTube. Hey, to contact Guy Cook, use the secure contact form on guycook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, consider subscribing to this channel, giving this episode a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribing to the channel assures more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.